Hello everyone. In this video, we are asked to obtain the value of x, given that 5 raised to the power of x plus 2 multiplied by 4 raised to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 5. Now, let's dive into it. Now, this is a technical question because we do not have the same base at the left-hand side. So we have to manipulate the left-hand side so that this either we have the same base or we have the same index. So we have it that the question was given 5 raised to the power of x plus 2 multiplied by 4 raised to the power of x plus 1 equal to 5. Now, let us divide the equation by 5. So we divide the right-hand side by 5 and also divide the left-hand side by 5. So 5 can cancel out 5, we have 1. So the equation becomes 5 raised to the power of x plus 2 multiplied by 4 raised to the power of x plus 1, all divided by 5 equal to 1. So at this point, we have it that 5 raised to the power of x plus 2 divided by 5 multiplied by 4 raised to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 1. So recall that in our division rule of indices, if I have a raised to the power of b divided by a raised to the power of c, this is equal to a raised to the power of b minus c. So at this point, we now have that this becomes 5 raised to the power of x plus 2 minus 1, because the highest power of 5 here is 1, multiply by 4 raised to the power of x plus 1 equal to 1. So we have that this becomes 5 raised to the power of x plus 2 minus 1 is plus 1, multiply by 4 raised to the power of x plus 1 equal to 1. Now, at the left-hand side, we have different base but the same power. Now, recall that in indices, if I have a multiplied by b all raised to the power of n, this can also be expressed as a raised to the power of n multiplied by b raised to the power of n. This is known as the product power law. So we can apply this law in this equation. So we have it that 5 times 4 all raised to the power of x plus 1 equal to 1. So 5 times 4 is 20. This becomes 20 raised to the power of x plus 1 equal to 1. So recall that 20 raised to the power of 0 is still equal to 1. So this becomes 20 raised to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 20 raised to the power of 0. Since the bases are the same, then the indices or their powers should be the same. So x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to negative 1. Now, let's check if our value of x equal to negative 1 satisfies the equation. So the equation given to us was 5 raised to the power of x plus 2 multiply by 4 raised to the power of x plus 1 equal to 5. So since s is negative 1, we have that 5 raised to the power of negative 1 plus 2 multiply by 4 raised to the power of negative 1 plus 1 equal to 5. So we want to check if x equal to 1 satisfies the equation. So minus 1 plus 2 is 5 raised to the power of 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So 4 raised to the power of 0 is 1. So this is times 1 equal to 5. So therefore, 5 is equal to 5. Thus, S equal to -1 is correct. If you know you found the video helpful, please do not forget to like this video and also subscribe to this channel for more maths videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.